get Nigel also. Tata Steel is the other number to track, Nigel.
That's right, Anuj, and the whispers are saying that the numbers are going to be even stronger than what the street is expecting. But let's focus on our poll. On the top line, yes, we're expecting a growth of around 8%. We're expecting the operating profit to balloon up. Remember, it's coming on a very, very low base, and the margin should come in at around 13.5 to around 14%. Year in year is going to look fantastic. Sequential basis is going to be an expansion of around 100 to around 150 basis points. Focusing on the India business first, we already have the sales volumes with us. That, in fact, has come in higher by close to around 17%. So that the market is already priced in because we have higher sales volumes coming in from the Kalinganagar plant. Remember, in the month of January, they took a price increase of roughly around 2,500 rupees. The street at one point of time was bracing for around 3,500 to around 4,000 rupees per ton. Nonetheless, on an EBITDA per ton basis, we're expecting it to grow by more than 30% on a year-on-year basis. On a sequential basis, it could see a bit of a dip because some part of that coking coal price increase that we have seen could hit them, though Tata Steel gets close to around 30 to around 40% of its requirement domestically from its captive sources. But on a year-on-year basis is going to look very, very good. Also keep in mind they have a small part which is the ferrochrome business, and that will look quite good as well. The European business, that could be the kicker actually that could come in, and in fact the street is bracing itself for a positive surprise coming in from the European business because the spreads, that is the input cost, is not going up as much as your selling price. So that in fact had moved to 7-year highs, which will play in their favor. EBITDA per ton should come in at around $52 per ton, which will look very good because they'll be comparing with the loss. And on a sequential basis, it compares with around $38 per ton. Expect a positive surprise on that front. Finally, watch out for their volumes. That is expected to come in lower because they've sold a couple of plants. One is their Scunthorpe unit as well as the Rotherham unit. Both of them have been sold. So the volumes will be in lower, but in fact the profitability will come in much higher. Watch out for commentary, in fact, in terms of their debt. What's happening? Is there a JV happening or not? Back to you.
Right. Yes, of course, those will be the larger concerns that one